stages. There we are. Good evening and welcome to Chennupati Ramakotai, who's come in their way. Nantalu Jampana, of course, has got that big experience. These teams coming in as well. The first raid has got underway, and yeah, for the Amaravati Crushers, it's not Gopichand Potla, it is Ram Babu Kollamagiri who starts off with the first raid. And Amit, I think, oh, the ankle hold very soon attempted from that right corner, and Rai Narendra. The bonus or no, whether they have got the attack from the other end or no, as Muddara Ganesh comes in, attacks Rai in the defense. I wanted to just say Rai in Telugu means stone. As strong as a stone, he was standing there, but not to be. But Sivagangesh, well. Anti-block, nice.
क्या लगता है आपको, एक वो टीम जो अब तक मुकाबला हारी नहीं है और दूसरी ओर ऐसी टीम जो बेहतर प्रदर्शन जरूर कर रही है? एडवांस टैकल
Yeah, Pangadam Leela Sivaganesh Reddy, that's his full name. Right cover defender comes in front of you to block you. You have an anti-block and you turn towards the lobby and escape. One of the best escapes. And Kollamagiri Rambabu running and touch. The left corner does not escape.
है और ये खूबसूरती रही है लेफ्ट कॉर्नर से राइट कॉर्नर पर जिस तरीके से वो जाते हुए और प्रयास तो कर रहे हैं। एडवांस टैकल के लिए आए और यहाँ पर रनिंग एंड टच का लगता है क्लेम कर दिया है। जी हाँ, दुर्गा प्रसाद के सामने
Yeah, Ravaru Sunil Kumar, he did not expect that, as if the Durga Prasad will try and pause and turn, and Muddara Naresh, brilliant points. I was thinking only one. The right corner comes in. This is as they're going in and trying to make sure that they get ready for the Super Force.
देखिए यहाँ बात की थी कि जब इतने बड़े सुपरस्टार खिलाड़ी यानी आएगी, इसी बीच यहाँ पर एक और बढ़िया डिसीजन आता हुआ अगर आप देखेंगे।
Yeah, it's a do or die raid, and Muddara Ganesh has been nabbed with a double ankle. Important for both Noli Teja and Gopichand Potla for either side to be there, Amit. Oh, that's a nice dash. Oh no, you cannot.
जी हाँ नवीन, अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर रिप्ले पर नजर डालते हैं, काफी वक्त लिया और उसके बाद काफी वक्त वहाँ पे डैश करने और उसके चलते वो एक पॉइंट वहाँ पर गवाया है टीम ने। अब देखना ये होगा, 9-7 से ये मुकाबला चल रहा है। फर्स्ट हाफ के पहले 10 मिनट समाप्त हो चुके हैं। तो चाहते हैं लेकिन देखना ये होगा बिना गोपीचंद के ये क्या ये टीम अमरावती क्रशर्स की हमने बात की। ओहो हो, बेहतरीन एंकल होल्ड हो भी था एंकल होल्ड करने का। अगर आप देखें जिस तरीके से उन्होंने रिवर्स किया और ये इसकी हम और हवा में उन्होंने प्रयास किया था उनके पैर को पकड़ने का। तो जब तक आप अच्छा बेस नहीं बनाएंगे वो गलती लगातार होगी। लेकिन दो बड़ी टीमें टकराती हैं नवीन, तो इस तरीके का खेल देखने को मिलता है। कितना बढ़िया वहाँ पर
came in from the ankle hold with that left cover from Akbar Sheikh, so that was good. So super tackle situation. Siva Ganesh Reddy will be escaping that, but shouldn't have gone in. See, he's gone so deep. That's good.
Substitution.
Not letting his ankle go there. Look at this. He's keeping his hands low, so he's not letting Sunil to come in. But the ankle hold will be affected. He practiced it once, and that was not legal. And now in the legal time, Sunil has got the ankle hold. Brilliant work. And it was in, but somehow, Ravoru Sunil Kumar got the ankle hold and he got the support as well from the other side. From Lot wants somewhere Muddara Naresh to stand on the right corner. Why? Because he's a right raider and the ankle hold should. Oh, Muddara Naresh did not have to go for the ankle hold. I think he's got two. Yeah, you know what? Okay, you know what he also told in Telugu to Locharla Omkar while he.
देखिए नवीन, अब तक ये मुकाबला ऐसा चला है कि ना तेरा ना मेरा, क्योंकि 13 पॉइंट्स है बराबरी पर। लेकिन अब यहाँ पर कुछ शिफ्ट ऑफ मोमेंटम देखने को मिलता हुआ क्योंकि उस मुकाबले को बेहतर तरीके से खेल रही है। देखिए अगर आप नजर डालेंगे, ओहो एस्केप तो करना चाहते थे लेकिन संतुलन बिगड़ा और जब मोमेंटम बिगड़ता है
There he is, fighting his,
कि जब आप बॉकलाइन के बाहर अकेले जाकर वो सोलो टैकल करना चाहते हैं तो पॉइंट गवा देते हैं। लेकिन इस बार सोलो टैकल नहीं था, इस बार आया कॉम्बिनेशन।
2-0 सर 2-0
Oh, hang on.
देखिए
Ankalu
नवीन,
Jampana.
बिल्कुल अगर आप देखें कमाल का मूवमेंट क्यों ना हो, क्योंकि ये जिस तरीके से, और देखिए जब
Everybody, instead of asking who it is, thankfully in Kabaddi, it's not like a classroom. Muddara Naresh gets a point, and Nolli Teja is just hitting his head saying, "What are you guys doing?"
वाइजैक कमांडो, तो ये मुकाबला कशमकश के साथ चलता हुआ देखना।
Ankle not there, it's a super tackle. Well, speak of ankles, ankle hold here.
सुपर टैकल
Wonderful. Amravati Crushers. Hold it.
मैं
Block,
यहाँ पर
nice
कहना
block.
चाहूंगा कि भूल जाइए बीता हुआ कल।
He's gone out of the end line. And this will not be a pressurous raid here for Dasari Durga Prasad.
है, देखिए यहाँ पर अवेयर नहीं था, जर्सी नंबर 18 उसके लपेटे में है, तो वो नहीं।
So, not very conducive as of now for them to, give those extra points away, because all the more. But he's been nicely blocked. This time we speak of his anti-block. Look at this.
ऑन है, सुपर टैकल क्या कर पाएगी यहाँ पर अमरावती क्रशर्स। देखते हैं बैक किक का प्रयास। ओहो, एडवांस गए हैं।
He's given away a lot of angle to Akbar Sheikh in that left corner. Should have gone directly to give out that angle, but can he go out there and have a dangling hand going across? But no,
3 points
that's it.
Commandos
No bonus also, Amit. As a substitute raider, you should have first. He had stopped Muddada Naresh with the anti-climax block. Yeah, this was easy. This was very easy for him. Shoulder lock, block, done. No snoozing this alarm.
देखिए नवीन, मैं कहूंगा कि मुदादा नरेश ने जिस तरीके से वो कार्य तरीके से मौजूद रहे नहीं है अपनी टीम के लिए, तो क्या ये जो 10 अंकों का ये उसी की वजह से है कि यहाँ पर अमरावती क्रशर्स को परेशानी हो रही है। ओहो, बेहतरीन स्केप वहाँ पे देखने को मिला है।
There is no doubt at all. No doubt. And it is. That's why I'm trying to say, apart from Gopichand, they should think apart. The Vizianagaram Ninjas can do it without Chekka Nagababu on the mat. Why can't the Amravati Crushers? And for that, they need to stop these defensive errors. And oh, come on!
Please, Raider, please wait.
Come on!
One technical point.
This is the second time that's happening. First charge on themselves. It's the pressure on the raider. Sivaganesh slips, tumbles, falls. He does not know what to do. And brilliant work. That's why we love this game. It's all about momentum. It's all about pressurizing the opponent. Oh, what just happened there? Rambabu should have gone against the prey which was fallen on the
1
floor.
point. Amravati.
दिखाई, या फिर मुझे ऐसा लगा
For Kollamagiri Rambabu in a super tackle situation, he needs to clean it up. They need the all-out very desperately. And come on! Muddara Naresh!
Super
This
tackle.
and propose him like that. It's like, yeah, it's a proposal coming in from Sri Leela. He's been revived. He's been revived after that super tackle.
Raider out.
क्रशर्स के लिए अगर आप नजर डालेंगे, बहुत ही वक्त ले रहे थे।
The all-out. That's what he said. All-out Divadu. That's what he meant. But it's a bonus point, and now Kollamagiri Rambabu will want to go for the bit. Is so important, and I clearly mentioned it's only one all-out. He'll be thinking, should I come in? Should I come in for one raid?
Raider out.
All-out inflicted.
Vizag.
Decides to send in Gopichand Potla. How interesting that would be. Ah, misses.
Behind with the 10 points, and now if you see only 3 points difference, and look like it's a big trade. No, that's a good tackle. That's a brilliant tackle here from Bajaj Commandos.
Vizag Commando.
Touch point. Thankfully, Panin after that raid. Thankfully, he does not, because there was no touch. And then imagine Durga Prasad going into the lobby. I think this is the final.
That's a brilliant strategy,
Oh.
and looks like he dashed it out. Oh,
I
play.
went.
जी हाँ, अगर आप देखें जिस तरीके से
This is such a big comeback for them in terms of the tournament. Yeah, it's been a day of comebacks, but in terms of the tournament, why is that comeback?
One point.
It'll be
One
written
point.
as the
Commanders.
biggest chest. We all respect each other so much. The kick was landing on his chest. Last raid, Amit, of the match, maybe, or one more raid. We have time for one more raid.
1 point. Amravati Crushers. Jersey number 14 out.
देखिए जिस तरीके से अब तक इस मुकाबले को खेला है वाइजेक कमांडोज ने, कहना होगा कि विजय रथ को रोक दिया है। अब यहाँ पर अमरावती क्रशर्स के 6 में से 6 मुकाबले जीतने वाली टीम को आप हरा रहे हैं, इसका मतलब साफ है कि अब आप में भी वो दमखम है।
Match
Yeah,
over.
end of the match. Wonderful. It is where the Vizag Commandos will have the big laugh, even without Nolli Teja, their captain. They've come out there and have taken the revenge. K. Suresh will be really happy. And Vizag Commandos, definitely, they do get a lot of confidence now, the Vizag Commandos, because going into the Super 4.